Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we shall be looking at this AI trading bot that is called Mevs Army. Okay, now Mevs Army is an AI trading bot that helps you to trade, makes profit, and pays you up to 1.5% every day in profit. Okay, you can see the website is well laid out. Okay, I'm going to be showing you and telling you what all those figures and graphs you see here actually means. Okay, now you might want to ask me and say, Tom, what is Mev Army? Now this is it. Mev Army is a network of bots that use the maximum extractable value algorithm to find profitable combinations and add their transaction by intervening in block. This allows you to make many small and profitable transactions within the blocks. Okay, so this project, they actually have a whole lot of bots. If you come down here, let me quickly show you this. They have a whole lot of bots. You can see this arbitrage bots here. They have 19 bots. They have this sandwich. They have 21 bots. This liquidity, they have 13 bots, and this sniper, they have 1 bot. Okay, so it's not just a single bot that they are using in this case. They have lots of bots that they are using to trade and making profit to pay their investors some return on investment. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be staking your fund, how you're going to be putting your fund to make money for you here, and every other thing that you actually need to know. Okay, so if you scroll down here, okay, you can see how the bot actually works. You can see the bot's leaderboard. These are different results of the different bots they have. Okay, these are the different results. Here you can even see some of these ones. These ones are just kind of like live results of the trade from the bot. You can see this one 2 minutes ago. You can see their results here, the profit, the cost, the revenue, the return on investment, right? You can see all now, if you click any of those address here, this transaction address is going to take you to BSC. Okay, then you'll be able to even see the transaction of the bot. Okay, so as you can see here, so this is kind of live. You can see the details of the transactions here, okay, on BSC scan. Okay, so I think these are things you might want to see for yourself. So for that reason, I'm going to be dropping the link to Mevs Army right in the description of this video. Just check the first link, okay, in the description of this video is going to be the link to Mevs Army, and you come up here and see things for yourself also. Okay, now these are the funds that they have in these different boats that they have here. You can look at all those funds here. Okay, so let's quickly look at this doc. This is something I would advise you to do as well if you eventually come into this project through the link below. Just come to this doc here. Okay, when you click on that doc, it's going to bring you here and you get to read everything you need to know about this project. Okay, now one beautiful thing I discovered about this project, right, is that you can actually take out your funds after 15 days, right? Let's assume you came in with $1,000, and after 15 days, or you just felt probably there's an emergency, you have an emergency or something, and you want to take out your funds, which is not advisable. I wouldn't advise you to put in funds and begin to take out your funds. You'll be able to do that, and within 5 working days, your funds will be refunded onto you. But whichever profits that you actually earn within that period of time will be deducted from your capital, and your capital, the remaining will be remitted to you. Okay, so I will always advise you to come in with any funds that you know you are comfortable to invest into this project and let it run for you through the course of time. Okay, so I was talking about this doc here. You can find out every information you need to know about this project here. Okay, you can see it's well detailed, the roadmap, the frequently asked question, the money flow, the refund and return condition. If you click on this FAQ, I was trying to find out if this project is actually docs. Okay, if it is audited, but from what they actually say concerning the audit, I was made to understand they decided not to audit this because of the safety of the source code of their of this bot. Okay, that will expose the bot. So you can see here, say, do you have KYC or a docs team? You say several reasons do not allow us to do KYC or docs team. We sign an NDA with the owners of boats, which will provide their liquidity to keep their identity anonymous. If we dox our team, other companies could find them, and our most important value, source code, strategy will be leaked. Okay, so they are giving their major reason for not doxing is the safety of their source code. This claim that they wouldn't want their source code to be leaked. Okay, that if it is leaked, then some other persons can actually gain access to it and begin to use it or manipulate it. Okay, so you can come up here and read all this by yourself. Okay, they actually say they've been in business since 2020. They now decided to go public, okay, for other outsiders to actually benefit from the boat. So that is why they are opening it up to the public in this year 2023. Also, you can read their roadmap. Okay, if you come down here, you can see their roadmap here. So you can see, like I rightly told you, research began. You can see from 2022, their research began from 2022, and here is 2023. You can see they've started this relocation of most of the team to Dubai, the public opening of the company, okay, and platform. Like I rightly told you, they got the project open to the public in this year 2023. So you can see the roadmap, the progress of the roadmap. All this you can find from the doc. Okay. Now going to the project proper, I'm going to be showing you. If you come to this middle, you can see share here, right? This share, you click on this share. Now, when you click on this share, it's going to bring you here, okay? Now, when it brings you here, this is where the magic actually happens. This is where you'll be able to stake. You will be able to invest your fund, and your fund will go into work and begin to yield you passive income, okay? Now, on this project, you are expected to invest either with BUSD, PNB, USDT, USDC, or DAI. Okay, so you have all these different coin that you can actually invest. So I think they're trying to make it in such a way that there'll be no excuse of you not being able to use a particular coin. So they're making all this available. Okay, now you can connect with Mevs Army either through BSC or through Ethereum. Okay, in my own case, you can see my wallet is connected, and I connected through BSC network, right? So all you just need to do is when you click on this, it's going to take you to your MetaMask, okay? It's going to make sure your MetaMask is installed, or if you are using your mobile, make sure you downloaded your MetaMask on your mobile and is set up already. Then you can use the BSC, or you can use Ethereum, okay? But most times I use MetaMask through the BSC, so I always prefer to use BSC, okay? Binance chain. So the next thing you're going to be doing, let me just quickly walk you through on how you can actually make your deposit. Okay, so here you're going to be putting let's say you want to do $100 here. Okay, you're going to put in $100, then you're going to click on this enable. Okay, when you click on this enable, it's going to take you, so it's going to take you to your MetaMask. Then when you get to your MetaMask, okay, getting to your MetaMask, you're going to approve this $100, and the money is going to come down here. Okay, the money is going to show here. You can see it's showing not active here. So as soon as I approve it, it's going to come here, and it's going to, the $100 is going to show here. Now, if you are using BNB, it's going to show you. If you are using USDT, it's going to show here. Whichever of the coins you're using is going to show on either of those boxes here. Okay. Then if you want to claim, after you must have stake your money and you start making profits, okay, it's going to show you here. You're going to claim your reward here whenever you want to, and you can actually claim any day, anytime. Okay, so you're going to click on this claim here whenever you want to take out your reward, and you're going to take your reward into your MetaMask. Okay, if you want to compound, you also have the opportunity to compound. And also, if you want to top up your funds, okay, probably tomorrow, you might start with 1,500, 100, and tomorrow you say you want to put in more money. You just click on this top up, you click on it, and it's going to show you how you're going to top up your funds. And like I already told you, the refund, you can take out your refund after 15 days. So you can click here, okay, whenever you want to take out your refund, and you can take out your refund. Okay, so I think that is very, very clear. The project is very, very clear. And like I rightly said, you'll be earning 1.5 every day from this project. Okay, one other way you can also earn from this project is by you inviting your friends, your relative, your business associate. Okay, when you come up here, you click on this tab here. When you click on this tab here, it brings you here. Okay, so whatever the people you refer to this project actually earns, whenever they are making withdrawal, you also get a fraction of whatever they earn as kind of a compensation or to say thank you to you. Okay, we're going to be dropping the link, like I rightly said, right below this video. Just go to the description of the video and you're going to find the link to this project right there. Okay, the project we all believe is going to be here for a long while, because we've actually seen in the past project comes and they go, but in this particular project, going by what I've seen about the project, hopefully the project is going to be here with us for a very long time. Okay, now remember, I'm just showing you what I'm actually interested in. Okay, showing you projects that I believe you should be aware of. I'm not your financial advisor. Okay, so don't take my word as a financial advice. Okay, make sure you do your own due diligence about this project. Okay, that is all I believe I'll be showing you for now. Okay, like I rightly said, it's better off you come up here and see things for yourself. Okay, now you can join their Telegram group. I think they have an active Telegram group. So when you come down towards the end, the bottom of the project here, you can see their Telegram and their Discord social link here. Okay, so you can click either the Telegram or the Discord and you can join them there. Okay, I want to say I believe you got value from this video. Okay, now if you got value from this video, I will expect you to give this video a thumbs up, and I will appreciate if you give the video a thumbs up. Okay, give the video a like, and also if you have not subscribed to my channel before now, I would really appreciate you by subscribing to my channel. Okay, I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Do take care of yourself, and bye bye.